GPD offers two solutions for the 2014 to 2016 Chevrolet Silverado/GMC Sierra, 2015 to 2018 Chevrolet Suburban, 2015 to 2016 Cadillac Escalade, and 2015 to 2018 GMC Yukon Discharge hose. The first one of these choices is GPD Discharge Hose 4812852, a heavy-duty discharge hose replacement that is made of steel and also features a muffler. As described in GPD Tech Tip number 64, 4812852 is a more durable option versus the original aluminum design. We also offer GPD's 4813293, an economical discharge hose replacement that is made of aluminum and does not come with a muffler. Don't forget the transducer. When ordering a discharge hose, best practice is to order a replacement transducer. 1711513 pairs with the applications in hoses. Remember to check the condenser. Condensers are known to fail due to normal wear and tear. GPD 4283C pairs with the following applications. Thanks for watching. For more tech tips like this, visit gpdtechtips.com.